Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Shamsi and you're watching Upskill Yourself. And this is part 2 of YouTube series. In the first part, we went over how to create a YouTube channel with an existing or new Gmail ID. And then I showed you guys how you can upload your first video to YouTube. So if you haven't watched that video, I would recommend you watching that first and then coming to this so that you have a fair bit of idea how everything works. I'll have that video linked below and also in the icon in the top right corner. With that out of the way, this part will be focusing on YouTube Studio and all of its features. So in 2020, YouTube Studio got many updates over the time and it is still upgrading very frequently. So how you see this video right now and how you might be seeing it after a very long time will be quite different. So don't get confused. Interfaces change, layout change over time, there are refreshes and everything. But nonetheless, if any of this happens, just let me know and I'll be happy to make a refresh video with the current version of the interface and layout. So make sure to like the video and subscribe channel so you don't miss out any future videos. And without further ado, let's get into the video.
Back to what I was saying. Could be us.
Alright, so this is the dashboard you're gonna see, and this is where you're gonna get all your analytics at a glimpse. So this will show you your video performance, your recent video performance, how many views you got, what is the impression click-through rate, and the average view duration. So view duration is for how long your viewers are watching your video and then clicking off. And this is where you will see the channel subscriptions, that how many subscribers you have, how many watch time you have. So moving forward here to the content page, this is where you will see more in-depth analysis of your video. So this is your video and you can get the shareable link from here as well if you want to share it to any place. This is where your visibility will be shown, that you want to have set it to public or private or unlisted. Unlisted is when people with only the link to your video can see your video, no one else. So this is also very helpful. This is restriction. Restriction means due to any reason, YouTube was limiting your videos to audience and its ability to earn money, which means that you might have added some copyrighted content. So you might have got a copyrighted claim or a copyright strike, or there might be some region restrictions. And you can also see how many views and comments and like dislike ratio you're going to get here. So this is for all the uploads, but if you have any live videos, like if you were doing some live streams, you're going to see the same analytics of live stream at this page. You can also put certain filters to find visibility, like only show me the videos that are private or unlisted. And you might be seeing these tabs over here at the top and might be wondering what is this and why am I not talking about this. So this is not a YouTube feature. This is a feature provided by vidIQ. IQ is a YouTube tool. It can give you more statistics and everything, how your channel is working. I use vidIQ for all of my videos and my videos have been performing very well because it gives you more options to properly optimize your videos. So there will be a link in the description down below from where you can install this Chrome extension. And then you're going to go over to the playlist. Then this is the playlist option, and you can also find how your playlists are performing, which playlists are performing better in terms of the view count and everything. Then you can come to the analytics tab, and this is where all the in-depth analysis of your channel can be found. So this is not just for a single video, this is for your entire channel. So you're going to find how many views your channel has got so far. So this shows for the last 28 days, but you can also come here and change the time zones. Like, do you want to see your channel is older than a month or it's a year old? So you can see last 365 days and you want to find how is your channel performing over the year. All right. Then you're going to see the number of watch time. Then you can see the number of subscribers you have gained over the time. Then you can find how the reach of your channel. So how your channel is performing in terms of reach, that where are the video traffic coming from. As the channel grows and progresses, you're going to also see more features, like if the channel is coming from an external source, means if it's coming from Instagram, if it's coming from Facebook, if it's coming from any website, You're going to see that here as well. The engagement is for sure by far the most important, that how many of those people are interacting with the end screen, how many are interacting with the video in terms of likes and comments, and how many are interacting in terms of cards that display at the top right corner of the video, and everything of the sort. Then you're gonna also find more things about your audience, right? So where are your audiences are from, what age group and what gender they are from. So now, when you have these types of data in front of you, then you can fine tune your videos and target your audience according to that niche, right? Then you have all the comments over here. So you're gonna find all the comments that your videos are getting, and this is where you can edit your subtitles. So subtitles are very important in videos, and you have seen that I put subtitles in all of my videos as well. My audience can easily view my video and understand what I'm trying to say, because I understand my English is not perfect, my accent might not be perfect for everyone viewing the video. For some my accent might be too fast, for some my accent might be a bit unclear. So subtitles help in that way, and subtitles will keep your audience more motivated to come back, because they'll know that you think of them when you are creating your videos and when you're editing them, right? So then you have the copyright issue, because if your videos are getting copyright claims or copyright strikes, or if your videos have been asked to take down, then there are very less chances of your channel to grow and to flourish, right? You should be staying away from this at any cost, right? Then you have the monetization tab. So for monetization, there are certain rules and requirements. If you click this, that notify me when I am eligible, YouTube will automatically send you an email notification telling you that see, it shows here that we will send you an email notification when you're eligible to apply. You will need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time. Then you have this customization tab where you can add more things. It says here, so share a preview of your channel shown with people who haven't subscribed yet, right? So you can create a short introductory video, and or if you want to take any of your previously made video which are already up on YouTube, you can do that as well. And you can add that as a, I can take this video which I already had, this will be added as a channel trailer. This is the section for all the returning subscribers. So people who have already subscribed, they are going to view this as a subscriber, and they're going to see all the feature videos. You can add more feature videos so that they can view more feature videos. Since I have only one video, so I'm not going to repeat the process again, but you get a point. This is the logo, the profile picture, which will be shown over here. You can edit, you can take your own picture, or if you want to create a customize for your channel, you can do that as well. This banner image comes at the top of the channel, and for perspective, this looks something like this. This is the banner image. I have it created personally for my channel because I do coding, I do reviews, I share tips and tricks, and much more is going to come in the future as well, right? So you can also have this video mark, which is a short video mark that will come at the right of the channel, like here. You're gonna see you can also see this on this video, that this is showing over here. So this is a watermark, and this will help the viewers know whose content is this. But for those people who are viewing it on the PC, can actually interact with this, right? So let me show you. So this is the watermark I've been talking about, and this comes in like this, and you can interact with it. You can hit subscribe if you want to. If your viewers would be interested in viewing more of your videos, they can easily click subscribe from here. Then you have the basic information that you can change the description. We have been through this already. Alright, so that wraps it up. This was it for today's video, and I hope you guys learned a lot of things today. You learned and you are now familiar with YouTube Studio, and you can work through it. But if you still feel like there is some things that I did not touch upon, or there is something that needs more explanation, you can always write that in the comment section below, or you can DM me on my Instagram at YT. And with that, like the video if you find it informative, share it with your friends, help each other out, and subscribe channel if you haven't already. And I'll catch you all in the next one. Bye bye.